Hello, very good afternoon children. Just we are going through the question number 5B, class 12, partnership fundamental. Now try to understand the meaning of the question, whatever the information given. You can see. Now keep your eyes on your book. The Anubha and Kajal are two partners in a firm. अनुभा और काजल दो साझेदार हैं एक फर्म के. शेयरिंग प्रॉफिट इन द रेशियो ऑफ 2:1. जो अपने लाभालाभ को आपस में 2:1 के रेशियो में बांटते हैं. कैपिटल कंट्रीब्यूटेड बाय देम 90,000, 60,000. अनुभा कंट्रीब्यूटेड 90,000 एज ए कैपिटल. काजल कंट्रीब्यूटेड 60,000 एज ए कैपिटल. Profit for the year, profit of the year that is given in the question, 45,000 rupees. Salary, partners entitled to get a salary according to the partnership deed, that is 700 per month. Anubha 500 per month. Kajal. I mean to say, Anubha gets a salary of rupees 700 per month. Kajal gets a salary of rupees 500 per month. Other information. Interest on capital in partnership deed. Partnership deed provides interest on capital 5% per annum. Interest on capital is to be charged. Drawing of the year. During the year, Anubha withdraws 8,500 and Kajal withdraws 6,500. The rate of interest on drawing given in the questions 5% per annum. Interest 5% per annum. Just you have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. How will you prepare the profit and loss appropriation account? First, you have to go through the working notes. Calculation of interest on capital, calculation of interest on drawing. How will you calculate? First, we have to calculate the interest on capital. Interest on capital is calculated. That will be calculated this way. Whatever the amount contributed by Anubha, 90,000. 90,000 into rate of interest 5/100. 5/100 is equal to 4,500. This way you will cancel and the interest on capital will be the 4,500 for the Anubha. such a way you have to find out, you will have to find out the interest on capital of Kajal. The capital contributed by Kajal in the beginning 60,000 into 5 upon 100. So equal to 3,000. Now you can write this information. Interest on capital is equal to Anubhav's interest on capital 4,500 and Kajal interest on capital is equal to 3,000. You have calculated. Next, interest on drawing you have to calculate. Interest on drawing, whatever the drawing made by the partners during the year. Anubhav withdraws that amount 8,500 and rate of interest on drawing given 5% per annum. This way you can calculate this one. 8,500 into rate of interest 5 upon 100 into 6 by 12. The question that will be coming in your mind, sir, 6 upon 12 for the 6 months. Because of that, there is no information given in the question. The partner withdraws monthly, or 6 monthly, or 3rd monthly, or 2 monthly, beginning or ending. In the lack of such information, whether the rate is given 5% per annum, just the interest on drawing is calculated according to the partnership act for the 6 months. That's why here written 6 by 12. So after the calculation, you can find the value of interest on drawing of Anubhav 230. Just you can write over here 230. On the same way, the interest on capital will be calculated of the Kajal interest on drawing. The interest of the Kajal, this one information given 6,500. 6,500 into 5 upon 100 into 6 by 12. The value will be interest on drawing of Kajal is equal to 163 rupees. This one is the calculation, and you can write in your working notes the interest on drawing of Anubhav 230, Kajal 163. Then after you can calculate the salary. They are getting the salary. Anubhav is getting 700 per month and Kajal getting 500 per month. For the whole year, salary will be Anubhav 700 into 12 is equal to 8,400 and 500 salary got by the Kajal, that is 500 into 12 is equal to 6,000. Remember, after doing the working note, you will start prepare the profit and loss appropriation account, and transactions should be recorded in such accounts. First, in credit side, earlier it has been taught or it has been explained, just buy profit for the year. 45,000, just you can enter such entry in credit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. By profit for the year 45,000. Then after whatever the interest on drawing just paid by the partners to the firm, you can enter such entry in credit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. By interest on drawing, Anubhav's interest on drawing is equal to 230 has been already calculated in your working notes. Kajal interest on drawing 163 has been already calculated in your working note. You have to put this one in this column, credit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. So the total of the drawing, both the partners 376. Now add this column, 45,376. And in debit side, you can just enter the entry. This one is the calculation to interest on capital. Interest on capital has been already calculated in your working note. You can find Anubhav interest on capital is equal to 4,500. Kajal interest on capital is equal to 3,000. Add both the interest on capital is equal to 7,500. Then salary they are getting from the firm. So it is debited to the profit and loss appropriation account. You know, according to the rules, whatever the expenses for the firm are recorded in the debit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. They are getting the salary. Anubhav getting 8,400. Kajal getting 6,000. Both the total 14,400. And whatever the profit, that is total credit side of the profit 45,376. From it you can deduct whatever the total of the interest on capital, total of the salary of the partners, that will be deducted from the total of the credit side. Whatever the profit remains, that will be the divisible profit. अब इसे आप डिवाइड करेंगे, बांटेंगे पार्टनर्स को 2:1 के रेशियो में। 2:1 के रेशियो में बांटने के लिए whatever the share will be the अनुपात 2:1 equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Anubhav share 2/3 and Kajal share 1/3. Is it? Now go through the division of the profit. 23,476 will be the divisible profit. This was the total. 14 and 7, 21,900 deducted from 45,376. The remainder will be 23,476. It will be the divisible profit. So this way you can divide the profit amongst the partner according to their share given in the information of the question. 23,476 divided by this way, 23,476 divided by 2/3 into and 23,476 into 1/3. This one is the share. You can calculate the Anubhav share. After the calculation, you can find 15,651 and Kajal share 7,825. That will be transferred to their capital account. This profit will be transferred to the capital account of the Anubhav and Kajal. Is it clear? हम समझते हैं कि आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा. Now again we are going to the prepare the partners capital account. Just you can write this way, the partners capital account. Keep in your mind. All the information given, whatever the calculation, with the help of profit and loss appropriation account, you can enter the entry in partners capital account. Just you can write this way. This one is the partners capital account. You can write. Just this way. You have to write the partners capital account. Partners capital account. Now see here, just two partners, so the two columns required. Here the two columns required. All right. Just you can write, this one is the column for the Anubhav, and Kajal. Anubhav and Kajal. With the help of the profit and loss appropriation account, you can post all the items, all the information you can record in the partners capital account. Now see here, by balance, opening balance of the capital, by balance, opening balance of the capital 90,000 for the Anubhav, 60,000 for the Kajal. That is information given. Then by interest on capital, by interest on capital, whatever the information given, interest on capital you have calculated 4,500 for Anubhav and 6,000 for Kajal. By salary, this will be credited to the partners capital account. For Anubhav, salary 8,400 and 6,000 for Kajal. Is it clear? And you can write profit and loss appropriation account by PL appropriation account. Just you can write the profit Anubhav 15,651, and you have calculated it with the help of profit and loss appropriation account. You can do 7,825. Just you can do the total in debit column. Whatever the drawing made by the partners, two drawing, Anubha withdraws 8,500, and Kajal withdraw 6,500. To interest on drawing, whatever given in the information, 230 and 163. Just you have to give the total of Anubha's whatever the amount received in partners capital account credited and Kajal. After that, you can find the closing balance of the capital. This way you can write to balance CD. Just total of the capital account of Anubha 1,18,551. 1,18,551, and the total of the amount 76,825 by Kajal. 76,825. This one is the credit side total, and you have to find out the difference, that is the closing balance. Whatever the total of this Anubha's total 8,713 subtracted from 1,18,551.